Alrighty then, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to grow your own coffee plant or plants. But first I'm going to feed my local birds some well-deserved peanuts. First you need to find a coffee plant. You can often find them in supermarkets, plant stores or garden centers. Most of these coffee plants are actually about 10 to 15 seedlings in one container. Perfect for your coffee project. The easiest thing to do is just replant them into a bigger container, like you see here. The bigger the container, the better. But make sure you can move it around easily. When you buy them, they can be dehydrated. Take the seedlings out of their original container and into the new one, like so. Now fill the container with potting soil and sand. Alrighty then, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to explain to you how to save a dried out coffee plant. The first thing to do is get your coffee plants into the shade. Then we need to get them hydrated. This coffee tree seedling has leaves that fall down. That's the first signal of a drying out coffee plant. I was just in time to save this plant. Now the coffee plant is in the shade. I'm going to spray it with water. Place the coffee tree in a bucket of water and water it well. Let them stand in water for at least 12 to 24 hours. Coffee tree produces about 12 pounds of coffee cherries per year. It will take a couple of years before your seedlings will start producing coffee beans. So how many coffee trees do you need for one person? The average is about 20 coffee trees. So the best way is to buy them cheap as seedlings and then separate them into their own containers. This is relatively easy to do. You can also order some seedlings or seeds online. Soak your coffee seeds in warm water. Sow them 1 centimeter deep. Keep temperature between 23 and 25 degrees Celsius. It will take several weeks before they sprout. Have a great day.